Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, lasers, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you this LVD Strippit. It's a very nice machine. I'm actually showing you the video of it in the plant. We have it all up and running right now. It's a great machine with a ton of options on it. We'll go through it and show you a few of the options. You can look online and really dive into what it has on it. But just to talk about a few of the things, you'll see you've got these safety light iris curtains. You've got an easy form laser. This is pretty rare. You don't see this on a lot of brakes unless it's something new. This is a 2019 machine, so very late model. This particular part's gonna roll all the way throughout your entire ram, and it's gonna look at the piece you're making and be able to change the bend and make it more accurate as it's actually bending. This machine is a very technical machine. And now that we have that drawn up, we can go into our programs, choose our die, and now you'll take a look at the machine. It's going to go ahead and get ready for the next bend. So it's going to calculate, move everything. You see our easy form lasers move.